So finally we are in the highway, and we will see today that what will be the maximum speed we can get and we can achieve today. So let's see in the fifth gear, and right now I'm riding in the performance mode. So one of the great features of this Himalayan 450 is that here you can see the red arrow. That means you have to change your gear. You have to increase your gear. So I think it's a very good option that is introduced by the Royal Enfield. So we are in the fifth gear and we are at the speed of 100, and it is giving us the signal that you have to increase your gear. Switch your gear to the sixth, and there we are. And this beast, there is a red icon on the digital console of Himalayan 450, and I think they have introduced a very uh, essential features, that is showing when you need to switch the gear. You see, whenever it goes above the 5000 rpm, and then the red icon comes into the digital console, and that indicates that you need to switch your gear. You see, it's very good, and that's the way you can ride your bike very efficiently. Thanks to the Royal Enfield. Thanks for the features. So there is no an icon when I have to decrease the gear, but only one icon that indicates that increasing the gear. So that's a good option introduced by Royal Enfield.